Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Today I have the absolute pleasure to be showing you around and demonstrating our latest arrival with this all new P530 Range Rover Autobiography. Now, as this is the Autobiography, we are way up there with the trim level. We have a superb specification to be talking you through, and arguably one of the best contrasting exterior and interiors, the Santorini Black and all ivory leather upholstery, which I will shortly be showing you into the vehicle. As this is the all new Range Rover, this is the 4.4 530 brake horsepower engine. Absolutely superb, smooth, powerful, and surprisingly efficient if you're just totaling around town. Now, as you can see, we do have the gloss black alloy wheels that complement the vehicle very well. Privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. I say it really does stand well on the road, and Land Rover done a superb job with the all new Range Rover. And just the finer details with the Autobiography badging on the Atlas accents there. So without any further ado, I'll take you inside the car. And as I say, we have this superb contrast with the all ivory upholstery, brightened up even more with the sliding panoramic glass sunroof. Now, as we jump in, we'll start up the vehicle. I can obviously show you that we have the all digital dashboard and lots of other features, including the reversing camera, 360-degree camera with 3D view, and also off-road mode also. I'll just pop that back in park. Now, if we just flick up here to the rear view mirror, we have the clear sight rear view mirror that really does widen up the scope, give you plenty of viewing from the rear. Back down to the steering wheel, which is heated. And just on the right hand side here, we can see the controls for the adaptive cruise control. Upgraded Meridian surround sound system. And 3-stage electric memory front seats for both driver and passenger. We have also got heated and ventilated front seats. Auto terrain response. As I just show you to the back of the car here, the rear passengers also have their own controls for the climate control. So the vehicle is quite simply stunning. It's only covered 5,322 miles. It's an absolute pleasure to have in stock here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. So I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you found that useful. If you'd like any further information or you'd like to arrange an appointment to come and view the car, then please contact our award-winning sales team. We're all on hand to help you with any funding requirements. Also, our Lifeshine Auto Glint paint and fabric protection to protect this beautiful piece of machinery. So thank you for watching.